Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your WordPress redirects using Redirection plugin, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your WordPress redirects using the Redirection plugin, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. In the Plugins menu, select Installed Plugins to view the list of all active plugins. Locate the Redirection plugin in the list. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so by clicking on Add New and searching for Redirection. Once located, click the Settings link. In the Redirection settings, you will see an overview of your current redirects. Scroll down to find the Export option. Click on the Export button to download your redirects as a .json file. Save the file in a secure location on your computer where you can easily find it later. To verify the export, open the .json file in a text editor. You should see a list of all your existing redirects formatted in JSON. Now, if you need to restore or migrate redirects later, you will use this .json file. In case you want to import redirects, you can return to the Redirection settings. Look for the Import section within the Redirection settings page. Click on the Choose File button to select your previously downloaded .json file. After selecting the file, click the Import button to restore your redirects. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your redirects have been successfully imported. This ensures that all previously backed up redirects are now active on your site. Finally, it's good practice to periodically back up your redirects to keep everything up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.